I'm back. Did you see what is transpiring in Porsha Williams' life? Have you seen what is transpiring? Have you seen what is transpiring? If you do not know who Porsha Williams is, please Google this young lady. She's 42 like me. Please Google. Please Google. Please Google. Please Google. Use them Googles. Take your fingers, pause the video right now and go Googles. Actually, don't do it right now. Listen to the video first and then go Googles. Okay? Go Googles after this. Please, you must subscribe. You must like and you must share before we carry on. And you must stay until the end of this video because you know what? Listen here. I've been learning from these YouTubers. I'm starting to like social media. I was never a social media person. I'm just like, this is just toxicity. But number one, I must say thank you to every single human being who has created good videos on YouTube while I was going through my hell. Thank you, Mia Bonga. My ancestors bless you for all of eternity. Thank you so much. There were people that have been creating really powerful videos, and thank you. I have put you on my app, Rebirth Your Vision. If you do not know what that is, please download the Future Gen Leaders app and go and invest in that therapy. Truly, that is therapy. It is damn therapy. It is damn therapy. Let me beautify myself a little bit, okay? The suns are out. Yo. God's beauty radiating through us. Yes. God's beauty. Okay. The reason I am bringing up Rebirth Your Vision on the Future Gen Leaders app, available on the iOS and Google Play, is this. Truly, it is this. I spoke about Porsha Williams in that course. And I said that this woman is under a love spell. This was 5 months ago. Yeah, 5 months ago. I specifically said, African American women do not understand the things of the spirit. They think they do. I am a Zulu woman. With my matcha lattes. Oh, depression, thank God. She's gone. But I transmuted that energy. You know what? I worked it. That means I worked it. Repeat after me. Yo, I'm back. Right. I spoke about in my program, Unlearning Experience, my therapy, about Porsha Williams. I said, African American women do not understand spirituality. You think you do. Even the Caucasian women do not understand. Even some African people do not understand the real things of spirituality. You do not understand. Meaning I am a daughter of the heavens. I come from the heavens. Yes, I came through my mother's womb and I came through my father's guidance. And I grew up in a certain family, but I knew what I was here for when I came here. This is why they have tried to kill me. This is why my own sibling sold me out to a cult that was going to beat me, rape me, and kill me. Because they've always known who I am. But I knew. I just decided to take a little nap. I took a nap. It was painful. It's damn painful to take that nap. But it was necessary. Because if I hadn't taken that nap, I wouldn't be able to have this conversation with you right now. I'd be confused. I'd be like, I don't know what I'm talking. What's going on with Porsha Williams? Please go and, after this video, look it up. I spoke in detail about what was happening to her. It wasn't even 6 months after she got married. I said, this woman is under a love spell. She started off as what? Her family was Jose Williams Feed the Homeless, right? In America. And she was on this humanitarian crusade of feeding the homeless. This is what her grandfather did. And she was the bearer of this, and she was going to take this forward. And this is why she needed media. You see, this is the things with fame. These are the things with fame. Nithandi fame. Nithandi born. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at my life. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at my life. This is the problems. These are the troubles. Fame. Fortunes. I say to African American women, do you think we do not understand these men? These are our men. They come out of our wombs. Let me beautify myself. Let me come a little closer. Yo. Hey, ilanga liyandibetha. Liyandibetha lelanga nithi liyandibetha. The sun is beating. It's beating, but I'm blessed. Oh, and now it goes down. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. You see, I can even talk to the sun and I'm like, yo, man, this is too much light. Please dim it down a little bit. Look at that now. Dimmed just a little bit just for me because liyandibetha lelanga. You see, when you get real with the spiritual laws and you practice these affirmations that I'm giving you, you will tell the sun it's too much. Please just calm it down a little bit. Look, not even a minute. 30 seconds. Wait. I am an African woman. I understand the laws of the universe. I can tell the sun, please, enough. The sun just stopped. Just a little bit so that I can talk a little bit, and then it's going to do its thing because it doesn't really listen to me. It just gives me a reprieve a little bit so that I can, But I am a Zulu woman. I am a daughter of the heavens. I can tell the sun, please, rain, please stop because I need to film and the rain will stop. Rain, please pour your showers of blessings and it will listen. Because God seeks to bless itself as you. But when you do not understand the laws of the universe and you think that your prettiness and your wigs and your fame and your fashion and your fortunes are the things that are going to get you through life, I don't care how powerful your ancestral blessings are and how powerful your ancestral prayers are. You will get yourself involved with people who are watching. They are watching you. They are studying you. Just look at what's happening to this nice girl. But she stole somebody else's husband. Where are the fathers of these children? Where are the men to speak up to these women and say you cannot steal somebody else's husband and think it's going to work, but it's because... Fallon girl, you saved yourself, Jack. They tried it on me. Oh, baby love. I said, oh, fuck, this is stupid. Baby love my ass. I love myself enough. I call myself baby love in the mirror. I don't need no man to tell me baby love. Baby love what? I'm from Africa. I mean, I come from Africa. I understand these tricksters of the mind. These men will play games on your head. They will play games on your head. African men. This is why I tell these African American women, I say, please rather go to South Africa. The South African ones are calm. I mean, compared to the West African ones, I'm not saying all West African men are like this. I've met beautiful doctors. I have met really smart scientists, mathematicians. Not a lot of businessmen that were ethical. But I've met some that were ethical and you could prove their businesses. But more medicine and science and not a lot of tech, but medicine. Yeah, for me it was just medicine, a lot of medicine and science, math in the STEM area. Those are the good Nigerian men and the good West African men that I've met. But you, African American women, think you are better than African women. These men will prove to you. Ah, you want to see an African woman perform? You are lying. You think these men basically, meaning you think these men don't like us because we don't wear wigs, because we're not smart, because we don't know how to twerk. Twerking comes from Africa. Why do you think they leave us there? Because we are onto their game. We are onto their game. We know them. When they are rotten, they are rotten. But I'm like, what kind of a womb did these men come from? The wombs must have been something to have. But you know what? I do not want to blame these women. Sometimes these women are being abused, especially in Africa. These women are being abused. And so these men are watching their fathers abuse their mothers. So these women cannot even take care of these men, and they grow up to be garbage. Truly just damn garbage. But y'all, African American women, don't listen.
Down, 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 down.